All right, guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new impact wrench. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. Let's go and take a look at it. Very nice case, by the way. User manual. You get 2 batteries. You get the fast charger for them. The impact wrench itself is heavy duty right here. Very cool. So you get 4 impact sockets. You get a 17 millimeter. You get a 19 millimeter one, a 21, and also a 24 millimeter one. So, and then you do get 1 extension bar as well. So one thing that I did want to point out about the batteries is it does have the battery indicator right here. So as you can see, literally ready to go. So let's go outside and actually test it out. I'm just going to quickly show how to connect the battery to the charger, but this impact wrench has up to 900 foot-pounds of torque to loosen up bolts and 750 foot-pounds to tighten. So yeah, this thing can handle truck tires and stuck-on bolts without you breaking a sweat. It goes up to 2400 RPMs and 2900 impacts per minute, which basically means it works way faster than a manual wrench and saves your arm in the process. It's compact and surprisingly lightweight, just under 4 pounds. To start using it, you just pop in the battery, pull the trigger, no setup. As you can see, the lock switch keeps it from turning on by accident, and the LED on the front is super bright for dark corners or under the car. You also control the speed with the trigger. There are 3 gear settings: light for light stuff, medium for regular bolts, and high for the really stuck one. Plus it has 2 reverse modes, so you're not stuck flipping things manually. All right, guys, so there you have it. If you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new impact wrench, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.